Number 1. Selling this 1967 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser at a price $3,750. 330 Olds engine, car runs and lot drives, needs a few things to be road legal. Some rust in each quarter in front of the rear wheels, and the spare tire floor pan is rotten. Rest of the floors are rock solid. Car was originally champagne in color, now brushed on white paint by previous owner. All the AC stuff and all 4 hubcaps are with the car. Clean, clear NYS transferable registration in hand. $3,750 OBO. Thanks for looking. Number 2. 1955 Chevy Chevelle. At a price $1,100. Clean, clear title in my name. Car is all there minus a few trim pieces, but is rusty. I repeat, rusty. Original 283 and power glide is still in the car. I do have one of the headlights bezels missing, and I might have the other from another 65 I had. Frame looks solid, but body is rusty. Can take pics of rust, but would be better to come look in person. Car doesn't run and will need to be towed. Does not cone with Bassett wheels or carb distributor and chrome valve cover in pictures. Would make a good donor car or fix it up if you have the know-how to do so. Car needs more time than I'm willing to put into it currently, so I decided to unload it. Message me with questions. Price is negotiable to a degree, but don't come with ridiculous offers, please. Number 3. 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 at a price $1,500. The car has sat now for about 5 years. It did run good at that time, but has since sat. I do not have keys to it as they were lost. Currently trying to get the title, but I do not have it. Currently. This was a family member's car, but I will answer any questions. Number 4. This is a 1952 Kaiser Manhattan. At a price $3,500. As you can see, she runs strong. At some point while sitting, the brake fluid leaked out. My guess would be because of one of the brake cylinders at the wheels or the master cylinder. I believe that the lines are good though. She will drive under her own power. Before the brake fluid leaked out, I drove her and she drove well. Accelerated well, shifted well through all 3 gears. I put new headlights in her a few months ago. To be roadworthy, all she needs is a new brake light switch, the passenger tail light bulb replaced, and some electrical work involving the steering column as the turn indicator lever doesn't work. Same for the horn. The bulbs for the parking lights might need to be replaced too. The brakes and that little bit of electrical tinkering will make her a daily driver again. Less than a month of work, you have a reliable daily driver. The price is firm because I'm already taking a loss at this price. She would be a cool hot rod. Number 5. 1982 Cadillac El Dorado Coupe 2D at a price $2,500. Car runs and drives was my daily for around 2 years. Typical old car nickel and dime. You drive it home, has 4.1 V8. Dayton. Knockoff wheels. New adapters and spinners. Front tires are pretty good. Still back was on front and wore on the inside, so needs alignment. Front seat, motors stopped working as well as they are. Ragged looking, has dent and puncture in driver rear quarter panel and passenger side taillight is busted. 2,500 firm drive at home, serious inquiries, only just come look at it for any more info than that. LOL, God bless. Number 6, 1979, Delta 88 frame is rotted out. Body is in good shape, at a price $1,000, could be used for parts. Car still has a good running 350 small block. Car will need towed. Number 7, 1997, Lincoln Town Car Cartier at a price $3,250. Runs and drives excellent with ice-cold AC and heat. Salvage title, 157,800 miles. 4.6, 8 cylinders. Automatic. Dent in driver door, C-Picks, clean interior, serious buyers. 8th number. 1948, Plymouth Special Deluxe, at a price $2,000. Running project, clear Colorado title, just lowered price, cause some fools broke the windows on driver's side. Number 9, 1992, Mercedes-Benz 300Z CE sedan plot at a price $1,500. High miles but dependable. These cars last forever. The trunk won't go down. Heat works and AC cranks and drives as it should. It's a classic, keep your low balls open to trades. $1,500, cash. Obo drives home. Clean title in hand. If it's up, it's available. My serious buyers, let's negotiate. It takes diesel gas, not regular Columbia SC. Number 10. 1965. Plymouth Fury 1 station wagon. At a price $3,800. Love this car and hate to see it go, but I've lost interest in it and it's time to move on. The car runs and drives but needs work to make it daily roadworthy. Car has a 318 poly and a 727 transmission. I have a lot of parts to go with the car, including a spare 318 block and heads, a front bench seat and extra rear bench seat, a 2x4 poly intake, a original gas tank for the wagon with sending unit. Car does not have a tittle, but you can get a North Carolina title for it. I was in the process of getting one and have yet to complete it. Asking $3,800 OBO. Number 11. I have a 1987 Cadillac Deville in amazing cosmetic condition, 91,000 original miles at a price $3,500. The interior is in great shape. I will add interior pictures later. The car does run, but it will need a new fuel pump and a fuel tank. Due to the car sitting for a very long time, I believe the guy I got it from said it sat for 15 years. I was able to get the car to run with starter fluid and was able to keep it at idle for a couple minutes with the starter fluid. There is only one owner, and it came with an original 1980s title. The rear driver taillight is damaged and will need to be replaced. $3,500 takes the car. If I get a fuel tank and fuel pump in the next couple of days, I'm just going to go ahead and keep it. Number 12. 1957 Nash Metropolitan. At a price $3,500. Great little project vehicle for someone looking for a project over the winter. Needs a little TLC. Was running when it was parked. Has not been run in about 2 years. Great addition to someone's collection. No holds, no trades as is. Located in Bainbridge, Indiana. Restore. Number 13. 1974. Chevy Novit. A price $1,234. Has A350 small block with upgraded cam and valve train. Trim 50 people chip bon isul vamre trans with Hurst speed shifter and a 2500 RPM stall converter. Bodies in great shape with no rust or dents. Paint has some scratches and chips. Interior is also in great shape with only one rip in passenger seat, and new carpet will trade or make a cash offer. Number 14. 1984 Monte Carlo. At a price $3,000. 350,000 motor and transmission salvage title on non-OPP, no DMV back fees, new water pump head gaskets, belt spark plugs, wires transmission cooling lines, took out the AC and heater unit and carpet, lots of other little things that are new, need money, too many cars, running project, won't pass smog. Mileage unknown, 3,000 obo.